Hey everyone, if you want to build websites, web apps, and software projects using AI without writing every line of code manually, Bolt AI can help you create projects much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bolt AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account using your email address or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Bolt AI dashboard. From here, you can create a new project, manage existing projects, and access the AI-powered development tools. To get started, create a new project and describe what you want to build. For example, you might request a portfolio website, task management app, e-commerce platform, landing page, or dashboard. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated result will be. Include information about features, design preferences, functionality, and any specific requirements you have. And that's how to use Bolt AI in 2026. Whether you're building websites, applications, or prototypes, Bolt AI can dramatically speed up the development process and help bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.